You must have heard of Kiro. It's the new AI code editor from Amazon, and everyone is talking about it. The only problem is, if you go to their website right now, you will probably hit a waitlist. That's because so many people signed up on their free preview. Everyone signed up on day one and now it's blocked. But don't worry, I found a way around it. I actually tweeted about it a couple of days back, and a lot of people successfully downloaded Kiro using that. So I thought, why not make a video around it? That's what I'm doing today. I will explain that what Kiro is, and then I will walk you step by step through how to install it on your Mac. And honestly, I've been using it almost every day, and I think it's a step up from other tools like Cursor and Plot Code. So let's get started. First up, what's Kiro? It's a AI powered IDE, very similar to Cursor or Windsurf. It's based on Vim, and one thing that it does better than anyone else is spec driven development, where in the first step you define that what you want to build out, and then it makes a very detailed plan of all the specifications of every feature that needs to be there, and then it executes it step by step. And so far, all the features that I developed using Kiro, I never found a single bug into it. It tests everything end to end before signing it off. It's way smarter than any other AI IDE that I've used so far. And the best part, it's free right now. So let's get started with the guide on how you can install it. Just know this guide is for Mac users. If you are a Windows user, you might have to wait a few more days before you get the access. So let's get started. Open the terminal on your Mac. If you are a beginner, this might sound scary, but all you have to do is just press Command and Spacebar together. This will open up the Spotlight search. Now type in terminal over here and press enter. This will open up a black window which you will be using to tell your computer what to do. Now check if Homebrew is installed on your computer. Homebrew is a package manager, sort of like an app store for developers. We would be using it to install Kiro. First, let's see if you have it. Type brew double dashes and version. If you see a version number, great. If not, we need to install it. Open your browser and go to brew.sh. Copy the command at the top of this page and paste this back in your terminal and press return. This would take some time to process and download everything. In some cases, you also might have to enter your Mac password. So take a moment to install this. In the next step, you will be updating Homebrew. It's a good practice to just update it every time before you're installing something new. Just type in brew update in the same terminal window and press enter. The next step is installing Kiro. This is the main event. In the same terminal window, type brew install double hyphen cask Kiro. You can also get all these commands from the description below. This command tells Homebrew to find Kiro and install it for you. It would take some time to download the entire application, but once it's downloaded, then you can open up Kiro. Either you can just go on your applications and find it, or you can use the Spotlight search again, command with spacebar, and just type in the name Kiro over here and it should show up there. Since you would be using it for the first time, then you would have to set it up using your Google or GitHub account, or you can also use your Amazon account with it, and you are in. And that's it. Cool thing about Kiro, its ability to plan. Unlike any other tool, it gives you clean code that has all the required specifications written with the best standards and also have tests written within it. This helps a lot when you're trying to build something complex using AI. I've been using Kiro almost for 2-3 hours every day, and in some days I will be dropping out a detailed guide on how to use Kiro. If you want that and more videos like these, do subscribe the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.